Hello everyone, this is Akash Guli from Hyderabad Gully. Welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm at Jahan's house. I'm heading towards IKEA Hyderabad. The reason why I'm heading over there because I just want to explore how IKEA is providing his service.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot to pause.
Lemon tea.
And I pretend that we are dancing like the nights are never
Unfortunately, my face has been screwed up because of pollution, so I'm heading towards washroom.
I do understand how it works, how to get your own coffee here. But Akash Bhai has to learn this because it's the first time he is here to IKEA, experiencing internationally.
Fine. Everyone need to learn at some time. So done with the coffee. Unfortunately, today is unable to complete my vlog because my battery is not long enough. నోటీస్ చేయలేదు నువ్వు వద్దులే ఇది వీడియోలో పెడితే బిస్కెట్ అయితే Seems like we don't have enough time to make this vlog, so I'll finish as soon as possible. Antena? This is awesome. Whoa, this is the thing I love the most. I wish my house looks like in this way because everything is so good. I'm pretty much sleepy and everything. ఎట్నుంచి ఓకే whoa, this is the next level.
నిజంగా ఆకాశం నేను మెచ్చుకోవాలి తెలుసా, గ్రూమింగ్ బాగుంది నీ స్టైల్. చూడొచ్చు అవుట్ఫిట్ సెక్స్ వచ్చిందా
అంతేనా?
ఇదో ఈ అవుట్ఫిట్ అవును చాలా
course. Yeah.
లాకౌస్ టీ
ఫస్ట్
I'm the one who gave you suggestion. I'm a fashion designer, Akash Gully from Hyderabad Gully.
Look at my new wardrobe style.
Time is now 10:30 p.m. and our store will remain open for another 30 minutes. If you need any assistance in completing
Look at this indicating the direction.
ఇన్ని కవర్ చేయాలంటే ఎక్కడ
Almost every single good is at reasonable price and affordable for every single person. No, it's not like for people who can afford. It's about every single person can afford this. Damn, everything is awesome. Details were placed perfectly and everything. Seems like Jahan is trying to book
Go
something.
down to serve area where you can pick this product on this location. We have a huge rack, so every rack has a number. So this is in rack number 34, location number 18. So when you go there, find this product, pick it, go for billing, get it.
Alright, so I just wanted to know this. How many did we get along with it?
No,
No, we just get
that
this.
comes separate. Yeah.
Okay, this is the paid one. Is it?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, this is different charges applied, is it?
Because every rack
Even Maripati is trying to book same product. It's okay. Hopefully next time I'll book something. Because this is not the last time I'm going to visit IKEA. Food services are good at reasonable price, no doubt about this. But one thing, this is not the perfect place for the weekends because lot of crowd is out there to visit this. So you might not be satisfied visiting every single place of the interior designing details which are given to this area and everything. So I really suggest you people working days are the best time to hit IKEA Hyderabad. So they are going to charge 900 rupees for transportation the goods because they will provide 4 cubic meters. So it's depend upon us what products we are going to choose for our house delivery. So if you going to hit this area, do take any vehicle if you are thinking about carrying a small goods because they don't give any reduction of price for little products and everything. So if you have a car, you can travel. I mean, you can take your goods to your home. But if you going to choose the huge products, you must have to pay 900 rupees for the transportation. Not only this cupboard, but goods inside this cupboard also be charged. because everything is individual. They are giving an idea how to put your goods inside this cupboard and everything. Almost IKEA has been completely empty because it's almost the closing time. This is the right moment for us to hit because I can't vlog while heavy presence of the crowd. So what?
So, lack of audience. Now we are have got a great opportunity to explore each and everything. Because if you have a quick look at this, you can see a sofa where you can remodify your house, whatever the structure you have, the color, no problem. Here, these guys are so interesting. They prepared these sofas in such a way it suits your home according to your needs. It's really interesting. And at another point, I have noticed that these guys have concentrated according to the house colors combination and the structure of the house. Sometimes it might be in square, oval, or any. So these guys are very smart.
The woman is looking at you because you said smart.
Yeah.
I know. I also have an idea where you can put your cupboards and washroom decoration, wardrobe decorations and everything. So even the music has been stopped. So I think this is it for today.
It's not today. It's not the end yet because we're coming back soon during weekdays.
Probably in the next week. Okay.
Next week. No, I don't think so. I think probably we will plan on Thursday or.
Yeah, working
Wednesday.
days are the better compared to weekends because I don't want to see this kind of crowding because it's very complicated for me to vlog at this moment. I mean,
in fact, he feels shy.
no, it's not about the shy. Hey. It's not about this shy
Uncomfortable.
because I'm
Because
feeling
girls
uncomfortable.
are
People are
looking-
looking.
girls
Girls
are
not. I'm
staring
not.
at
I'm not
him.
speaking about the girls. I'm not speaking about the girls.
Excuse me. Hello. Hey. I can't answer.
So that's it for tonight, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye.